Roxy. 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 Fuck. Roxy. There's nothing I can do, Roxy. You die.
Knock this dog, John. Hey, come out there now. Come out there, John. Come out there.
I don't know how somebody would be so heartless. In fact, I don't understand how a human being would be this dysfunctional. How would you shoot an innocent dog all because it unfortunately ran into your ugly compound? Like the owner is standing right in front of that compound and pleading for you to let him have his dog. And conscience does not play a part in your life for 1 second to let this dog go. Even if you are frustrated from Nigeria's wahala, you shouldn't land it on a dog. This shouldn't be called transfer aggression. I don't get it. Like, this not making sense to me. Justice for Roxy. Justice for Roxy.